To dear students of class 10 ICSE board, this topic is focused for ICSE board. Beneficial for other children also, but it is mainly focused for ICSE syllabus. So, this is one very important sensory organ, ear, and we start the anatomy, how it works and how we are hearing. So first of all, we divide this ear into three parts for the convenience of study: outer part, middle part, and inner part. Outer part, pinna, auditory canal, and eardrum. These three parts are included in outer ear, and in middle ear, bones are included: malleus, incus, and stapes. And in the inner ear, this total structure is inner ear, and it is made up of four parts: three semicircular canals, then utriculus, then sulculus, then cochlea. So these four parts are included in internal ear. Now we understand one by one. This is pinna. It is a part of outer part. It is a part of outer ear. So its function is to collect sound waves. Sound waves are collected, then they are sent inside. Inside we are getting this canal. This is hearing canal or auditory canal. Then auditory canal is having a small structure in this shape. It is known as eardrum. हिंदी में इसको कान का पर्दा बोलते हैं. It is known as eardrum. Eardrum is attached by three bones. First is malleus, second is incus, third is stapes. In one ear, three bones are there. In both the ears, six bones are there. These are the smallest bones. Out of these three, this one is the smallest one. So three bones are attached, one with another. They are articulated in a very good manner. So next, then this last bone, this stapes, it is attached with oval window, and this oval window is attached with internal ear. Another name of internal ear is membranous labyrinth also. So this internal ear is made up of three semicircular canals. Semi means half circle, yes. And their swelling ends, they are known as ampulla. So their location of is in such a way, one canal is attached with one canal is attached over another canal at an angle of 90 degrees. So all these three canals attached one with another at an angle of 90 degree, and their swollen tips are known as ampulla. Another name of internal ear is membranous labyrinth also. Then broad part, broad platform, it is known as utriculus. It is found below the semicircular canals. Then below the utriculus, a narrow platform, that is sacculus. So all these structures are the part of internal ear. Then finally it coils and it makes 2.5 coil. It is known as cochlea. Then it is connected by auditory nerve. Auditory nerve, it is one cranial nerve out of 12. We are having 12 cranial nerves arising from the brain. So this is one out of those. It is connected with the brain. Now we tell you how do we listen. Mechanism of hearing. Sound waves are collected by pinna. They are entering in the auditory canal. Then they are reaching to eardrum. Eardrum sends these vibrations of this sound to bones. These bones, they vibrate. Finally they send this thing to internal ear. When sound is reaching this cochlea, it is coiled, but when sound waves are reaching, it gets uncoiled, खुल जाता है. Then we should understand the internal structure of cochlea also. Cochlea is made up of three canals. First one vestibular, middle one median, and lower one tympanal canal. This middle canal, it is having special hair like hairy cells having very small hair. So these special cells are known as organ of Corti, found only in internal ear, nowhere else. कहीं नहीं मिलते हैं internal ear के अलावा. इसको हम organ of corti बोलते हैं. These cells are very sensitive. These cells are getting the message and they are sending it to auditory canal. Oh, sorry, they are sending it to auditory nerve. Auditory nerve finally sends to brain. Brain recognizes the sound. This is the way of hearing mechanism. And one more important thing, USGN tube is there. We know that man can listen a sound of 20 to 20,000 hertz, in a range of 20 to 20,000 hertz. Sometimes we are sitting in a normal mood and all of a sudden a huge sound is created, maybe some fire sound or maybe some bombardment or something else. So big sound is there and we are not aware. So our mouth all of a sudden opens when the sound waves of this big sound reaches in the ear, our mouth automatically opens. Nature has given a device. Otherwise, if it was not possible, then our eardrum would have got lost. So to stop the loss, for the safety purpose, nature has given USGN tube. These sound waves, they are coming from this side and they are reaching to USGN tube. Our mouth opens and the pressure of sound, it is released. So first function of the primary function of the ear is hearing. Secondary function, it is balancing. Sensory cells, these three semicircular canals, they are having sensory cells, and sensory cells of semicircular canals, they maintain dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium means balance. This balance is when we are moving, then when we are in motion, that time balance is maintained. So this is all about the ear for class 10. Once more I repeat, it is only for class 10. For class 11 it is little bit enlarged, but it is for class 10. Many questions are asked, objective questions. How many bones are there? These bones are 3. To avoid the confusion, you can remember the serial order Miss, Miss, MIS, Marius Incus Stepis. They are having another name also, and Wilhelmar, like that, they are having another name. And internal ear is having cochlea. Cochlea is having organ of corti. Organ of corti are having sensory cells. And another name of internal ear, membranous labyrinth. So these type of questions are asked. Little bit difficult. Stepes bone is attached with oval window, and bone attached with eardrum, that is malleus. The name of the middle bone, that is incus. These are the short type objective questions are asked. So this is a basic concept for class 11, and it is a detailed explanation according to the syllabus of ICSE for class 10.